In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add a subflow in Salesforce. If you're already familiar with Salesforce, you know how powerful flow can be in automating processes and creating efficiencies. Adding subflows can take your automation to the next level, making complex tasks simpler. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to navigate to the home page of Salesforce. From here, you can always easily access the settings and features needed. Now, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by clicking on the Quick Settings. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Quick Settings are your gateway to deeper customization and setup features in Salesforce. After you've clicked, look for the option labeled Open Advanced Setup and select it. This will lead us to more specific settings related to flows. In the Setup search bar, type Flows. This step will help Salesforce narrow down the vast array of options available, leading us directly to what we need. Once the Flows tab appears in the search results, click on it. It will take you to the Flows homepage. The homepage is essentially your canvas for creating and managing Salesforce flows. At this stage, we proceed by clicking on New Flow. Here, you'll be prompted to select the flow type. We're going to choose Screen Flow, a versatile type perfect for creating engaging, interactive workflows. Now we're at the Flow Builder interface. Look for the Add button and give it a click. This is where we start designing our flow by adding different elements. When prompted, choose an element, be it a screen, action, or logic, depending on your particular workflow requirements. Don't forget to repeat this process if you need to add multiple elements. As we continue, there's a button that appears again saying Add. Click on it once more and choose an element again. This might feel repetitive, but think of it as laying the building blocks for a successful flow. Make sure these elements are thoughtfully chosen. Next, click on the subflow option. A subflow is a reusable flow that can be invoked from other flows. This allows you to keep your processes modular and manageable. Once selected, choose a subflow that you've already created or has been provided for your needs. We're almost done. Now it's time to type in your label and input your API name. This step is crucial for ensuring that your flow is uniquely identified and easily located in Salesforce for future reference. Pay close attention to this, as naming conventions are important. Afterwards, click Save. It might prompt you to input the flow label and the flow's API name once more, so make sure these are entered accurately. This contributes to keeping your flows organized and easily identifiable. Finally, hit Save once more to confirm everything. And there you have it, a successfully created and added subflow in Salesforce. With your subflow ready to go, you'll be able to streamline operations and enhance your Salesforce environment effectively. Stay tuned for more tutorials to unlock the full potential of Salesforce.